right, here we go. Galaxy S24 Ultra is in hand. We picked up the titanium orange, of course, and now we're about to open it up. So let's talk. Okay, so a lot of stuff just came in from the UPS truck. We got a shield case. We got a standing grip case, a vegan leather case, a silicone case, and we actually got 2 anti-reflective screen protectors as well. So I'll be doing like full-on videos with all this stuff in it, but for now, I just want to open this up, get it started, like get my information in here, get my SIM card in here, and try it out. So titanium orange, first of its color for a Samsung device. Boom. Ooh. Okay. Now I had my fears because they gave us a red phone one year that was actually like a hot pink flamingo kind of orangey color, but this pretty much looks like the picture that they gave us. Very, very, very fine frosted matte finish on the back. It almost feels like there is like a piece of film or something, but like I don't see anything. Yeah, it almost feels like there's a film on it, but it is a very fine matte finish. Now, I will say this, that's slick. It is very slick, very slippery. You got to put a case on that. You got to have something on that. Most people already know what's in here, but for those of you who are new to the party, let's see what we got. This stuff up in here really good. Okay, so you get a SIM eject tool, which you always get. You get a USB type C to C cable and instructions, and that is about it. Like not even any S Pen replacement tips this year. S Pen. Now I do like the color on that S Pen. That is nice. But this phone, like we definitely gonna have to talk about this one because this phone is very slick. And I just really feel like it should be something for me to peel off. I guess it's nothing. Like it actually looks frosted. Like frosted on the edges. The back is frosted. And this thing actually feels a bit heavier than my S23 Ultra. But we'll do some testing. I want to go ahead and get it on, get my like SIM card, all my information in here. This is just what we always do, unboxing. Let's see if we got juice out of the box. Holding this button down. And it doesn't seem like we got, oh, there we go. Okay, so we got juice out of the box. But just the unboxing, just to let you know what this looks like, this colorway. Of course, this is what we had to get, but titanium here, the orange on the back, hence the name, the titanium orange. That's what we got. That's what it looks like. And we got tons of cases and testing and all that good stuff that's gonna be coming up very shortly. So stay tuned for that. If you got any questions, leave them down below. I'll try to get to them in my full review.
Continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
Okay. Well, it's already talking to me. So if you got any questions, drop them down below. I'll be sure and get to them in my full review, but you can look for that next week. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.